6 sugar-free desserts for diabetics. Did you know that nearly 10.5% of the US population has diabetes? And just because you have diabetes doesn't mean you can't enjoy the occasional sweet treat. In this video, we'll explore 6 delightful sugar-free desserts, and if you stick till the end, I'm going to reveal one secret sugar-free dessert that creates a symphony of flavors that strikes the perfect balance between decadence and health-conscious choices. But before we dig in, can you do us a favor? Help us spread this life-saving message by hitting the thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Diabetes Fixer and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our new videos. Stay tuned till the end because we've curated 3 invaluable gifts that will empower you not just to manage, but possibly prevent diabetes. Let's get started. Number 6. Almond flour chocolate cake. Almond flour chocolate cake is not just a delectable treat. It's a game changer for those managing diabetes. A recent study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that incorporating almonds into your diet can significantly improve blood sugar levels and reduce cholesterol. This luscious dessert combines the nutty essence of almond flour with the rich, luxurious flavor of dark chocolate, creating a symphony of tastes with every mouthful. Almond flour's low-carb content and high fiber make it an excellent choice for individuals seeking healthier alternatives to traditional sugary confections. Plus, dark chocolate is packed with antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Treat yourself to a slice of almond flour chocolate cake today and revel in the perfect fusion of flavor and health benefits in each bite. Coming up next, we'll explore a dessert that's not only creamy and indulgent, but also incredibly easy to make without turning on your oven. Number 5. No-bake cheesecake with a walnut crust. Indulge in a guilt-free dessert that's as delicious as it is nutritious with no-bake cheesecake featuring a wholesome walnut crust. This delightful treat combines the velvety smoothness of cheesecake with the satisfying crunch of walnuts, creating a perfect harmony of textures. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and healthy fats, which support heart health and help regulate blood sugar levels. The cheesecake itself is made with almond milk and a natural sweetener, making it a perfect choice for diabetics. Almond milk adds a creamy consistency while keeping the dessert low in carbs. This no-bake recipe is not only easy to make, but also ensures you're not adding unnecessary sugars to your diet. Each bite of this cheesecake offers a burst of rich, creamy flavor, complemented by the nutty undertones of the walnut crust. In addition to being delicious, this dessert supports healthy blood sugar management, making it a smart choice for anyone looking to enjoy a sweet treat without the guilt. The ease of preparation and the nutritious ingredients make this no-bake cheesecake a must-try. Coming up next, we have a dessert that brings a refreshing twist and is perfect for those who love a balance of tangy and sweet flavors. Number 4. Lemon ricotta cake with almond flour. Lemon ricotta cake with almond flour is not just a dessert, it's a delightful treat tailored for individuals with diabetes. This cake offers a refreshing combination of tangy lemon and creamy ricotta cheese, enhanced by the nutty essence and tender crumb of almond flour. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that almonds can reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes by up to 30%, making almond flour a perfect choice for a lower glycemic alternative. Using almond flour instead of traditional wheat flour significantly reduces the cake's glycemic impact, helping to keep your blood sugar levels stable. The addition of fresh fruit enhances the natural sweetness of the cake while complementing the zesty lemon flavor, resulting in a guilt-free indulgence for those with a sweet tooth. Each slice allows you to relish a delicious treat while making a health-conscious choice. Moreover, this dessert is not only satisfying, but also nourishing, thanks to its nutrient-dense components like almond flour and fresh fruit. Enjoy this lemon ricotta cake knowing that it supports your health while delighting your taste buds. As we reach the halfway point of our list, it's crucial to address a hidden danger in the world of sugar-free desserts: deceptive marketing practices and overlooked health risks. Many products marketed as sugar-free or diabetic-friendly might not be as safe as they appear. Misleading labels and regulatory oversights often hide the true content of sugar substitutes and other additives in these desserts. Additionally, Products labeled as low-carb or keto-friendly might include hidden carbs that can affect blood sugar control. The lack of stringent regulations allows these misleading claims to slip through, putting your health at risk. To make safer choices, opt for products with transparent labeling and those that use natural sweeteners like stevia or erythritol, which have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. Being an informed consumer empowers you to make better decisions for your health. Coming up next, we reveal a dessert that not only meets the strictest health criteria, but also surprises with a unique twist that you won't want to miss. Number 3. Sugar-free apple crisp with oats. Enjoy a guilt-free sweet treat with a sugar-free apple crisp made with wholesome oats. This delicious dessert strikes the perfect balance of flavors, offering a satisfying crunch with every bite. The natural sweetness of fresh apples pairs beautifully with the nuttiness of oats, creating a comforting and nutritious option for those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Oats, known for their heart-healthy benefits, are rich in beta-glucans, which can help lower cholesterol levels and improve heart health. The dietary fiber in oats also plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels and promoting digestive health. Apples add an extra layer of health benefits, being packed with essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C and potassium. These nutrients support overall health, contribute to a strong immune system, and help maintain healthy blood pressure. By choosing this apple crisp as a healthier alternative to traditional desserts, you can satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising on taste or your well-being. Enjoy this delightful treat knowing that it is nourishing your body and keeping your blood sugar levels in check. Coming up next, we'll introduce a dessert that combines rich flavors with a surprising ingredient, perfect for those looking to indulge while staying health conscious. Number 2. Dark chocolate avocado truffles. Did you know that avocados contain over 20 different vitamins and minerals? Dark chocolate avocado truffles are the epitome of guilt-free indulgence. These luxurious treats harmoniously combine the bold flavors of dark chocolate with the smooth, creamy texture of avocado, offering a decadent solution for your sweet cravings. What makes these truffles stand out is their lack of added sugar, ensuring a delicious snack that won't cause spikes in blood sugar levels. Avocados enrich these truffles with fiber and heart-healthy fats, which help to keep you full and support stable blood sugar levels. Additionally, dark chocolate is loaded with antioxidants that can reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure. By combining the nutritional power of avocados with the rich taste of dark chocolate, these truffles not only satisfy your sweet tooth but also nourish your body. Plus, the healthy fats in avocados can help boost brain function and improve heart health, making these truffles a smart and delicious choice. Before we unveil our number 1 dessert, let's take a moment to share some exciting news. We're thrilled to offer you 3 extraordinary free gifts designed to support your journey in managing diabetes more effectively. First up, we have our exclusive ebook, 13 Foods That Lower Blood Sugar. This isn't just a list, it's a treasure trove of delicious and nutritious culinary delights. Each food item is carefully selected to help maintain stable blood sugar levels while satisfying your taste buds. Then, for all the cooking enthusiasts out there, we're excited to present our special recipe book. This collection is brimming with ingenious, low-carb alternatives to your favorite staples like rice, pasta, and bread. These recipes are crafted to tantalize your taste buds without compromising your blood sugar, allowing you to enjoy your meals guilt-free. And lastly, you'll gain access to our breakthrough video, 30-second bedtime solution to stop diabetes. This innovative approach, backed by 20 years of dedicated research, offers a potential paradigm shift in how you manage diabetes. To claim these incredible 3 free gifts, simply click the link in the description below. Now, let's get back to our countdown and unveil the number 1 sugar-free dessert that is a cornerstone in our list of 6 sugar-free desserts for diabetics. Number 1. Coconut cream and berry parfait. Here's a dessert that perfectly balances flavor and health benefits: the coconut cream and berry parfait. This delightful treat combines creamy coconut milk, succulent berries, and a touch of natural sweetness, creating a symphony of flavors that strikes the perfect balance between decadence and health-conscious choices. What makes this dessert exceptional is its impressive nutritional profile. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, diets rich in berries can significantly improve insulin resistance and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Paired with coconut milk, which contains medium-chain triglycerides known to boost metabolism, this parfait is both delicious and beneficial for managing diabetes. The luxurious texture of coconut cream blends seamlessly with the tangy notes of fresh berries, offering a gratifying dessert experience. With no added sugars, this parfait is an ideal low-carb option for those seeking a guilt-free yet satisfying conclusion to their meals. Each spoonful delivers a burst of coconut goodness intertwined with the juiciness of ripe berries, making every bite truly blissful. So there you have it, the 6 sugar-free desserts for diabetics, from the rich and indulgent almond flour chocolate cake to the refreshing coconut cream and berry parfait. These delightful treats allow you to enjoy dessert without compromising your health. We'd love to hear from you. Which of these desserts are you excited to try? Do you have any other favorites that are diabetic-friendly? Sharing your experiences in the comments below could provide valuable insights and encouragement to others on the same journey. If this video has provided you with new and exciting dessert options or reinforced your current health strategies, please show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to Diabetes Fixer, and clicking the notification bell so you never miss an update. The Super Thanks feature is also a fantastic way to help us continue bringing you valuable health insights. Before you go, remember to check out the 3 exclusive free gifts in the description below. They're packed with tips and recipes designed to help you manage diabetes more effectively. Remember, your health is in your hands. Thank you for watching. Stay informed, stay healthy, and here's to a sweeter, healthier you.